What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Internet Affiliate Secrets. I'm your host, Lionel Drew, and today we're diving into one of the most important skills you can learn in affiliate marketing if you truly want to build a long-term online income. And that skill is this: how to create landing pages that collect leads every single day. Now, listen carefully. Most people online are chasing sales, but smart affiliate marketers are building lists. Because when you build a list, you build an asset, you build relationships, you build trust, and eventually you build income. That's why today's episode is so important. I'm going to break this down in a simple way so beginners can understand it, but I'm also going to show you why mastering landing pages can completely change your affiliate marketing journey. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop a comment below letting me know what part of affiliate marketing you're currently learning right now. Every single comment helps this channel grow and helps more people discover real affiliate marketing education. Now let's get into it. A lot of beginners make one major mistake. They send traffic directly to an affiliate offer. No landing page, no lead capture, no follow-up system. And then they wonder why they struggle to make consistent commissions. Here's the truth. Most people are not going to buy the first time they see an offer. People need time. They need education. They need trust. That's where landing pages come in. A landing page is simply a page designed to capture someone's information, usually their email address, in exchange for something valuable. That could be a free training, a guide, a webinar, a checklist, a free video, or access to a community. The goal is simple: collect the lead first. Because once someone joins your email list, you can continue building a relationship with them over time. And this is exactly what I've been learning through the training inside OLSP. One thing I appreciate about Wayne Crow and the community is they teach affiliate marketing the right way. Not hype, not shortcuts, not fake screenshots. Real systems, real education, real strategy. And one of the biggest lessons I learned is this: the money is in the follow-up. That means your landing page is not just some random page online. It's the beginning of a relationship. Now let me show you the basic structure of a high converting landing page. Number one, you need a strong headline. Your headline has one job: to grab attention. That's it. Your headline should focus on a problem or a desired result. For example, learn how beginners are starting affiliate marketing without creating their own products. Or free training reveals how to earn while learning affiliate marketing. Simple, clear, benefit driven. Number two, you need a short explanation. Don't overload people with paragraphs. People online move fast. Your job is to explain the value quickly. Tell them what they'll learn, why it matters, and how it can help them. Number three, you need a call to action. Tell people exactly what to do next. Enter your email below. Get instant access now. Watch the free training. Never assume people know what to do. Guide them clearly. Number four, keep the page clean. This is huge. Too many beginners create cluttered pages with too many buttons, distractions, colors, animations, and confusion. Simple converts. Clean converts. Focus on one action. Collect the lead. That's it. Now here's another powerful lesson. Your landing page works for you 24 hours a day. Think about that. You could be asleep, at work, spending time with family, watching TV, and your landing page is still collecting leads online. That's leverage. That's automation. And when you combine landing pages with content creation, everything starts working together. You make YouTube videos, you create TikToks, you post on Facebook, you share value online. Then you direct people to your landing page. The landing page collects the lead. Your email system follows up. And over time, commissions can start happening consistently. That's how real affiliate marketing works. Not chasing people, not begging people, building systems. Now let's talk about something important. A lot of people are scared to start because they think they need to be experts. You don't. You just need to stay teachable. That's one reason I continue learning through the OLSP community. There's free live training, step-by-step guidance, and what I really like is the earn while you learn affiliate marketing system. That means you can start learning these skills while also putting yourself in position to earn commissions as you grow. That's powerful for beginners because most people learn better when they're actually taking action. And Wayne Crow has done a great job building an environment where people can learn the right habits from the beginning. Things like building email lists, creating landing pages, traffic generation, follow-up marketing, branding yourself, creating content, and learning how affiliate marketing really works behind the scenes. These are skills that can help you long term. Now, let me give you another important tip for landing pages. Offer value first. Don't just scream buy now all day. People are tired of that. Instead, educate people, help people, solve problems. When your landing page offers genuine value, people are much more willing to join your email list. Remember, people buy from people they trust, and trust takes consistency. That's why content creation matters so much. Every video you make, every podcast episode, every email, every piece of content builds trust. And trust turns into leads. Leads turn into sales. Sales turn into income. Now, here's another thing beginners need to understand. You do not need perfection to get started. Your first landing page does not have to be amazing. Your first video does not have to be perfect. Your first email does not have to sound professional. You improve by doing. You grow through repetition. Most successful affiliate marketers simply stayed consistent long enough to improve. That's it. Consistency beats perfection every single time. And if you stick with it, your confidence grows. Your skills improve, your systems improve, and your results improve. That's why I always encourage people to focus on progress, not perfection. Now imagine this. Imagine creating content every day that sends traffic into your landing page funnel. Imagine waking up every morning to new leads. Imagine building an email list filled with people interested in affiliate marketing and online business. That's a real business asset. Social media accounts can disappear, algorithms can change, but your email list belongs to you. That's why building your list is one of the smartest things you can do in affiliate marketing. Now, if you're serious about learning how to build landing pages, generate leads, and learn affiliate marketing the right way, I highly encourage you to check out the free training and community connected with OLSP. You can get started by going to olsplive.com. That's the main website I recommend for getting plugged into the training, learning the system, and seeing how this business model works step by step. And remember, you do not have to figure everything out alone. There are people already getting results by following proven systems and staying consistent. The key is taking action. Learn, apply, stay consistent, improve daily. That's the formula. Now, before we wrap up today's episode, I want to thank every single one of you for supporting the channel and tuning in to Internet Affiliate Secrets. If today's episode helped you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Let me know what topics you want me to cover next because we are building a community focused on real affiliate marketing education, motivation, and growth. And don't forget, check the description bio around this podcast episode for daily bonuses, extra training, and more information about the OLSP Earn While You Learn affiliate marketing program. Again, that's available through olsplive.com. This is Lionel Drew, your host of Internet Affiliate Secrets, reminding you to stay focused, stay consistent, and keep building your future one skill at a time. I'll see you in the next episode.